Household names and necessarily the superstars in their roster, but my goodness me, they can get the job done. Inside to Dimets. Beautiful spin move, but the pass was the key. Vrhunci now. The ball goes inside to Badovic. Can he get it to go? He can't. Good defense by Dimets. Now with the ball, looking to back his way to the basket. He kicks it out, and Vrhunci will launch a long three and drain a long three. That's from downtown. Vision by Vrhunci to find him. Muric with the ball, he's going to have to take the jumper. Oh, that is a big shot by Edo Muric. Slovenia back into this game. Look, fumbled. He manages to just get control of the ball and launch it before the buzzer runs. Dimets sets the screen and rolls hard to the basket. Good ball movement, Čančar open for three. That's a beautiful start to the second half for Slovenia. Floats inside, but it's good hands in the passing lane by Čančar. 3-on-1 bake to Prepelic. Gets a two in transition. And the ball game is down to just 1 point now. Blažič picks his way through, but it's stripped away by Ivanovic, and he has to pick it up. He hands it off to Đurđić. Oh, what a block by Čančar, not in his house. Here's the block by Čančar. What timing as he slaps it off the backboard. Slovenia can do that. Čančar now fakes a three, drives inside, delivers the dunk, but it's not going to be enough.